a special thanks and shout out to Community Nissan of Bloomington, Indiana for allowing me to come out and film this 2018 Hyundai Kona Ultimate 1.6 all-wheel drive. Hello everyone. Today let's take a detailed in-depth walk-around look at this 2018 Hyundai Kona. This is the very well-equipped Ultimate trim level and is shown in Thunder Gray Metallic and features the black perforated leather interior with lime accents. Looking to me much like the Citroën C4 Cactus, the Hyundai Kona is quite an interesting little crossover vehicle. And with this one stickering just shy of $30,000, it is quite pricey for this segment. And with the class exclusive 8-inch touchscreen, finicky if somewhat useless heads-up display, GPS navigation, infinity audio system, and rain-sense wipers and automatic high beams being the standout features, I personally would stick with the bargain-priced SEL trim level that features smart key access, blind spot monitors, heated front seats, and 17-inch wheels, all standard and priced at $22,130. And this Ultimate is all-wheel drive, and it features active on-demand all-wheel drive and features a 1.6-liter turbocharged gasoline direct injection dual overhead cam 16-valve inline 4-cylinder engine. It creates 175 horsepower at 5,500 RPM, 195 pound-feet of torque at 1,500 RPM. It is good for 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds with a 0 to 100 mile per hour time in 19 seconds. Quarter miles reached in 15.2 seconds at 91 miles per hour with the top speed being drag limited to 135 miles per hour. And fuel capacity on the Kona is 13.2 US gallons. It consumes 3.7 gallons per 100 miles driven, with an estimated total driving range of 360 miles. EPA fuel economy figures are 26 miles per gallon city, 29 miles per gallon highway, with 27 miles per gallon combined. On my 20-mile mixed test drive, I averaged an incredible 34.6 miles per gallon. The standard transmission on the Kona is a 6-speed Shiftronic automatic. However, this Kona Ultimate all-wheel drive features the 7-speed dual clutch Shiftronic automatic with manual shift mode and drive mode selects between normal and sport. Manual shift control is accessed by flipping the lever to the left, pressing up for upshifts, and down for downshifts. And with the Ultimate trim level selected, you get the Hyundai Smart Sense package, which includes forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, driver attention warning, and high beam assist as standard equipment, which is part of the $1,500 tech package option on lesser trim levels. Taking a look around the rear of the Kona, it's pretty odd back here. You do have upper mounted LED tail lamps. Down below in the bumper, you have the amber turn indicators and integral reverse lamps. Down below, there is a satin silver trim panel that kind of hides the exhaust points. And taking a look at the profile, the vehicle does have short front and rear overhangs. It's kind of a short and stubby looking vehicle. Steering on the Kona is vague at best and is electronically assisted vehicle speed sensitive variable rate rack and pinion. Wheels are the 18-inch painted aluminum alloys on 235/45 R18 Goodyear Eagle Touring MS tires. Brakes are 4-wheel disc brakes that feature ABS, electronic stability control, traction control, and brake-based torque vectoring. Brakes can bring the Kona from 70 miles per hour to 0 in a class average of 171 feet. Taking a look around the front is where the Kona kind of really looks like the Citroën C4 Cactus. It does feature Jeep Cherokee style upper LED driving lights with integral turn indicators, and mounted down below you do have the high intensity projector beam headlamps. Below the headlamps is a brake cooling duct. You've also got Hyundai's wide open grille. And down below, inset in the middle, are the two fog lamps. Overall styling is pretty unique. When I first accelerated in this Kona, when the turbos kicked in, I was actually pretty surprised. There's hardly any turbo lag, and the pickup is actually really fast. Overall driving experience in the Kona, from a first-hand experience, I have never actually driven one before, is it's actually pretty smooth and very quiet. As stated before, there's little to no turbo lag, and I found the performance to be pretty exhilarating. Alright, and while remote start is standard, it's controlled via Hyundai's BlueLink service and operated by a phone app available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. This vehicle does have smart key access system by keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket to lock the vehicle. Just press the button to lock and unlock the vehicle. And as you can see inside, it's pretty standard Hyundai. It is accented, as stated before, with the bright lime accents. You've also got the charcoal gray leather interior. So overall, the interior is pretty nice and pretty well equipped. Nothing really to write home about as far as build quality or anything like that. It is pretty good. And of course, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power door locks as standard equipment. Black chrome trim. This vehicle does have the premium Infinity audio system. Various controls on the driver's side dashboard. You have your panel dim. You also have your blind spot controllers, your HUD display, lane keep assist, and electronic stability control. A leather wrap tilt and telescoping steering column. 8-way power driver's seat with adjustable lumbar supports. And taking a closer look at the seats. The seats are pretty comfortable. They do offer nice lateral support. Alright, we're going to pan through the interior and show more details. Fluidic power steering. It is electrically assisted, as stated before. Multifunction steering wheel controls. Lime green accents, as well as gloss black trim. You have your audio and Bluetooth phone controls, as well as your trip computer controls. On the right hand side, you have cruise controls. And this vehicle does feature the Supervision cluster. It's very easy to read. And you do have a comprehensive trip computer screen mounted in the center. This is just a sped up view of all the different available readouts. Heads up display is controlled through this screen as well. Alright, panning over the top of the dash, as you can see, this is the small screen that projects the heads-up display onto the windshield. It retracts when not in use. And a little cover panel covers it to protect it from dust. And it automatically slides out when the vehicle is started. As standard with cars today, you do have a floating touchscreen display. It is a nice large touch area, able to see two screens at once, and does feature GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay capabilities, pinch to zoom, as well as swipe gestures. Overall, the system is very responsive. And placing the vehicle in reverse does activate the reverse camera. It does feature active guidance lines that move with the steering wheel. And of course, along the sides, you do have your hard buttons for various or frequently used features, such as radio, climate, navigation, map displays, and things of that nature. Moving down the center stack, more lime accents continue around the air vents. This vehicle does feature single zone automatic climate control. Moving down below, behind the shift bezel, you do have two 12-volt power points, an auxiliary input jack, a USB charge port, as well as your wireless charging pad. You have your heated seat controls, 3-stage heated seats for the driver and front passenger. You've also got your hill descent control and your parking sense power switch. Dual front cup holders and a real handbrake. Nice deep storage in the center armrest. Overall, the interior of the Kona is a pretty nice place to be. It's very quiet, very user-friendly with a nice material quality and attention to detail. Automatic dimming rearview mirror features 3-channel home link universal garage door opener. You also got integral compass display. And overhead, you do have sunglasses holder. You've also got 2 map lights, controls for your power sunroof, and your dome light override. Sun visors are nice and large. They do feature vanity mirrors with illumination. And the sun visors do slide out on extension rails. In addition, overhead, you have overhead passenger assist handles. Alright, let's take a look at the rear seat. Nice wide opening doors. Very spacious rear seat passenger area. Door cards feature the same styling as the front doors, although they are hard plastic with just padded center or padded armrest areas. In the rear seats do seat 3 across. It is a 60-40 split folding seat. You do have high adjustable head restraints for all passenger seating areas. The lime accents continue in the rear. And in the center, you do have a fold-down center armrest that does feature dual cup holders. Overhead, passengers or outboard passengers do have assist handles. There are no climate control vents in the rear. However, the backs of the front seats do feature storage nets. And folding the seats is easy, just locating the lever at the top of the seat and pulling the seat back forward. And the seats do fold nice and flat, creating a load flat floor and easy access to the cargo area. Alright, let's take a look at the cargo area. Overall, it's a very nice, well-designed area. It does feature a nice amount of cargo capacity, minimal wheelhouse intrusion, nice load flat floors with tie-down hooks. Under the floor, you do have compartmentalized tray storage and a foam board, and underneath that, you do have your compact spare tire and jack and tools. And taking a look at the luggage area, your capacity with the rear seats up is 19.2 cubic feet. It is actually very easy to fold the seats from the luggage area just by lifting the levers up and pushing the seat backs forward. Once you have the seat backs in the folded position, your rear seat luggage area expands out to 45.8 cubic feet, which is a 26.6 cubic foot gain. Of course, the luggage area does have a privacy cover. Alright, and this does conclude our in-depth walk-around look at the 2018 Hyundai Kona. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. And as always, thanks for watching.